Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xbox account to Marvel Rivals. First, launch Marvel Rivals on your Xbox console. Once the game loads, head to the main menu. You'll then need to find the Account or Settings section, which is usually easy to spot. This is where we'll begin the linking process to ensure your progress is saved and shared correctly across platforms. Next, within the account settings, select the Link Account or Connect option. You'll see a list of platforms. Make sure to choose Xbox. The game will then display either a QR code or a unique alphanumeric code. This code is crucial for the next step, so keep it visible on your screen. It's a secure way to verify your account. Now, grab a separate device like your phone or computer and open a web browser. Navigate to the official Marvel Rivals account linking website. You'll either scan the QR code displayed on your Xbox screen or manually enter the unique code into the provided field. This step securely authenticates your Xbox account with the game's servers. After entering the code, you should see a confirmation message on both your web browser and your Xbox screen, indicating a successful link. Your Xbox account is now fully connected to Marvel Rivals. This means you can enjoy seamless cross-progression, shared content, and a unified gaming experience across any linked platforms. It's that simple to get everything synced up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.